Have you ever wondered if tech myths are fact or fiction? Many rumors swirl around technology today, leading to confusion and misinformation. In this video, we'll break down the biggest tech myths, helping you separate truth from hype. Let's dive into the first myth. More megapixels mean better camera quality. This is a common belief. However, other factors affect image quality more, like sensor size and lens quality. Next, we address the myth that Apple products don't get viruses. While Apple products face fewer threats, they are not immune. Cybersecurity is crucial, regardless of the device. Another popular myth is charging your phone overnight damages the battery. Modern smartphones have smart charging technology. They stop charging when full, preventing battery damage. Now, let's tackle the claim that 5G is unsafe and causes health issues. Many scientific studies have debunked this. 5G uses a frequency well within safe limits. Moving on to more RAM means faster computers. While RAM helps run more apps, other components like processors and storage speed are equally important. Consider these examples as relatable comparisons. Think of a camera as a cake. The megapixels are just one ingredient. It needs other ingredients, like a good oven, sensor, and quality frosting, lens, to be great. Remember, charging overnight is like filling a water bottle. Once it's full, no more water will pour in. Your tech adapts, so don't worry. As for 5G, it's like the new highway for data. The cars, data, travel efficiently without causing danger to anyone on the road. In summary, we busted several tech myths today. More megapixels don't guarantee better photos. Apple devices aren't virus-proof. Charging overnight won't harm your battery. 5G is safe, and more RAM isn't always faster. Keep these facts in mind to enhance your tech knowledge. Don't believe everything you hear about technology, instead, look for evidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. Share your favorite tech myth in the comments. Stay informed and keep learning more about tech with us.